You've got your hands on our awesome microfiber Handmit and towel pack, and it comes in this really cool piece of packaging just like this. Now let's take a look what's inside the packaging. We've got an 80 by 60 extra large plush dry towel, and you've got your wash mitt that has the elastic wristband around it so it doesn't slip off your wrist. Now what I like to do is I like to chuck this somewhere nice and safe while I'm washing up the car. After you've done the pre-wash, you can grab your soft hand mitt and start agitating the surface to get rid of any grit, grime, dirt, mud, and anything that's left over after your pre-wash. With a nice slippery surface, this will protect your panels perfectly. So once you've agitated the surface, just dunk it back into the bucket, and then you can rinse your surface back off. Alright, so once you've finished rinsing off that surface, grab your plush dry towel that we looked at earlier, and you can start drying it all off. Now this microfiber towel has the ability to absorb a lot of water without streaking. It does an excellent job of getting rid of any water spots that may show up after a wash. And that's how you use your microfiber Handmit and towel.